Data centers face intensive server workloads and increasing latency. FS offers a comprehensive range of Intel network cards specifically designed to meet the needs of data centers. The Intel Ethernet 500 series offers low cost and power consumption, backward compatibility with existing 1000 base T networks, and an easy transition to 10 GBE when more bandwidth is needed. The Intel 700 series offers broad interoperability, critical performance optimizations, and enhanced flexibility, making it an ideal choice for data center applications. The Intel 800 series supports RDMA to enable low-latency, high-throughput workloads, optimizes high-performance server workloads with innovative features that improve application efficiency and network performance. The Intel FPGA series enhances deployment scalability through hardware upgrades that rely on computing hardware for greater customization and flexibility. The Intel series network cards support features such as RDMA over Converged Ethernet, only for Intel Ethernet 800 series, single root input-output virtualization and data plane development kit, enhancing packet processing capabilities and data transfer efficiency. These features enable efficient network resource isolation and sharing, improving overall performance. The Intel Ethernet portfolio offered by FS meets a wide range of data center solution needs. It is continuously evolving, providing reliable, off-the-shelf components to suit any system size or budget.